Okay. So this is the last part before we start working on our spaghetti. This is the sauce that I got requested. I don't know if you need to shake this, but I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna pour this over here, put this over here. And actually wasn't even sure that I was going to use everything, but looks like we did, which is fine. So okay, we got rid of all that. Now here's where the cheese comes in. So in the beginning I mentioned, well, not in the beginning, in one of the shorts I mentioned that these guys were going to need the most cheese. So I'm going to kind of be conservative with how much cheese I put on everything at first. And then when I see that if I need more or I have extra, I'm just going to dump the rest back onto every slice. So I see like this one definitely needs more. Okay, so over here I'm going to put this. Just over here. I'm going to put some cheese over here. Some cheese over here. This is gonna be needing some more. This over here needs some more. This is what we're eating tonight, and that's it. We could have used more, but don't necessarily have to. So yeah, we're gonna. You know what? Screw it. I'm gonna put some more. Improvising, because even though I don't necessarily need more, it's going to be better if I have more. So I'd rather say, sorry, I put too much, instead of, oops, I didn't put enough. Just put some more, so it's more yummy. Okay, so now I think we're good. Oh yeah. Crap. So, now it's oven time. And that's it. So let me set another timer, 20 minutes. Let's see here, timer, 20 minutes. I wasn't prepped for that. So there's our timer, 20 minutes. And now it's spaghetti time. So I'll come back to that.